Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G06 Power, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password on the smartphone. So the first and the best solution in such case would be to contact Motorola customer support service and tell them about your issue. If you can prove the ownership of your device to them by, for example, showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, they will be able to let you let you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from your device. Now, if this option won't work for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation and it will also solve your problem. However, the factory reset operation will of course remove everything from your device and you'll have to set it up as a new smartphone. Now, you can do this two ways. In case you want to perform factory reset operation remotely, you can just use any other device you have access to enter the Find Hub service in your on the internet using any web browser or search engine. What you're gonna have to do next is sign into your Google account that is linked to your smartphone, and then find your device on the list. Then tap on it and then select factory reset device. And once you do that, your device will begin to perform a factory reset operation, and once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again. Now, the second solution is the local factory reset operation, which you can perform using the recovery mode on your smartphone. If you don't know how to access the recovery mode, or if you don't know how to navigate in it, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, I highly welcome you to watch the video on how to perform factory reset operation on Motorola Moto G06 Power on our YouTube channel. Now, one more notice: if you do remember your password, but you just cannot access your device using it, you can try entering the safe mode, where no third-party applications are affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, and basically your phone will be less laggy, which may result in you successfully entering your password. So if you do remember your password but cannot use it to unlock your phone, you have to enter the safe mode for sure and try that in there. So in order to enter the safe mode on this phone, you're gonna have to first turn off your device by holding down the volume up key and the power button. As you can see, this power menu appears on the screen. Once it appears on the screen, you have to hold these two buttons for a bit longer time until your device's display fades. And this will indicate that your device is turned off. Now it starts to restart. At this point, we want to press both of these buttons once again until it shuts down. Okay, and once it shuts down, you have to give me one more time. So just hold the power button until your phone shuts down. Okay, and right now what you have to do is press the power button for maybe a second until you once again see this logo, and once you see this logo, wait for about 5 seconds until you start pressing the volume down key. If you start pressing earlier, there is a good chance that you will trigger the recovery mode and you're gonna have to get out of there after that. So press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, then the logo appears on the screen, then just wait 1, 2, 3, and then start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until you see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your smartphone screen. It's gonna take a moment, so don't worry. If you haven't triggered the recovery mode, that means that you're doing everything fine. Okay, and right now we are in the safe mode. So right now, try entering your password in here. tap OK, and if you succeed, then swipe down the control center on your phone, go to settings, then go to security and privacy settings, and then go to device unlock, screen lock. Now let's re-enter the password. Okay, and then select none or swipe, whichever you prefer. At this moment it's irrelevant. And then press power button and volume up key once again, select restart, and wait until your device is rebooted into normal mode. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.